Good morning, everyone. It's day 2 here in La Fortuna. I just walked about an hour and a half from the town to La Fortuna Waterfall. You pay $20 to get in here, US. They accept the Costa Rica colones or US dollars here. But yeah, I'm at the waterfall now. It's a trail down to the waterfall. They said it's about 15 minutes down and half an hour up because it's lots of stairs to come back up. You could go swimming here as well. They have bathrooms and showers here.
Where's the bathroom?
Nice flowers.
I wasn't trying to get information from Betty.
They have a restaurant here as well. Yeah, so far it looks really nice. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna walk back to the town after here. I might, so I could save $5, but yeah, going back will be a little faster because it's mostly downhill, so we'll see. It also depends on the weather. So far it's been pretty clear all day, but yeah, I hope it doesn't start raining. Here's a little viewing platform, the waterfall from the top. Looks really cool. Okay, let's start making our way down. Okay, so just making my way down now. There's a lot of stairs, but I love stairs, so yeah. If you're not a big fan of stairs, though, it might be a bit of a struggle. Definitely will get my steps in today because I went running this morning too. I always try to keep on my running routine even when traveling. And luckily here in town there's a running track, so that's mostly where I've been going. Okay, catch you all once I get to the bottom. A lot of stairs. Lots of tourists. This is honestly probably the most tourists I've seen in the past 3 weeks. Down to the waterfall. There's a lot of people down there swimming. Oh, it's beautiful. Definitely a lot taller than I expected. The waterfall is really strong. And there's so many people here enjoying it. Okay, I'm gonna start to slowly make my way back up now. Up the 500 stairs. Let's go. Going up these stairs. Not too bad. Okay, they said half an hour up, but it literally only took me 10 minutes. So yeah, I guess half an hour is made the average, but I'm pretty used to stairs, so it was really quick for me. Now I'm walking through this little garden that they have. Sounds like people are having a party up at the restaurant or something. Food prices here in Costa Rica is crazy. It's really more expensive than back home in Canada and in the US. One meal, if you go out, is easily 20 USD. So yeah, I mean, I've been shopping at the grocery store mostly, but like even then it's only maybe like $5 or not even less than a restaurant.